Cooking is an art, but food preservation is a science. You can experiment all you want when you're cooking in your kitchen, but when you are preserving food, you want to think like a scientist. Canning or putting up food can be done safely using the recommendations that scientists have worked out for us. You do want to follow these recipes very closely. For example, if you love to grow tomatoes, as many people do, remember that if you decide to can them, they should have added acids such as bottled lemon juice or citric acid. If you decide to pickle produce, you can use 5% vinegar safely and then follow a tested recipe. Acidic or acidified foods can be safely canned in a boiling water bath canner. If you want to can low-acid foods like soup or green beans or carrots or corn, be sure to use a pressure canner. Most of these will have a pressure gauge. Some have the rocking type. If your canner has a pressure gauge, be sure to have that tested annually. Many cooperative extension offices offer this service. Remember that only recipe adjustments that have been proven to be safe, such as using one type of pepper in place of another, can be done. You don't want to change the ratio. You can save money, reduce waste, and enjoy your produce all year round. But remember, safety is the first ingredient. This is Dr. Julie taking you from field to fork. Until next time.